She's got needles in her bag and a dream in her hand, turning stitches into something you can understand. From scraps and spools, she builds her artful stage at the crossroads where function meets the sewing age. Thread by thread, she weaves her way, making magic out of the work and fray. A solo heart with a burning fire, doing what she loves, fueled by her desire. Buttons and patterns and a splash of flair, practical beauty designed with care. She sews the world a little stronger each day. Her hands move swiftly where her visions play. Thread by thread, she weaves her way, making magic out of the work and fray. A solo heart with a burning fire, doing what she loves, fueled by her desire. Above her, no scripted role, a one-woman show with a fearless soul. Embroidery blooms on the path she's paved. Her passion and purpose are boldly engraved. Functional wonders in every design, each piece a story with a crafted spine. This is her rhythm, her melody loud, sewing her legacy makes her proud. Doing what she loves, fueled by her desire. Buttons and patterns and a splash of flair.